Alright sports fans, I'm here in Anytime Fitness and I've signed up to the 8-week shred challenge. I've been bulking for 3 months now, so it's come at the perfect time. Summer's coming here in Sydney, so it's a good time to get shredded. This is what we're starting out with. Got a lot of water weight, I've had too many carbs obviously, and I feel like a fat Thor out of Endgame. So let's get back to Thor in the original movie, fix it up, and this is my 8-week journey. So follow along, let's see how it goes, and hopefully by the end we'll have some progress. So this is it, there's the back, and yeah, time to get ready. Day here in Sydney. You don't have to be a demon in the gym every day killing it. Get outside.
Who's gonna carry the boats?
Powered by plants. So this video has just been a way for me to document the changes over the last 8 weeks, show a few of my favourite exercises, and yeah, see what the progress is. I have to say that diet was the most important element of this whole thing. My training pretty much stayed the same, I just had a little more cardio. You have to count everything. You don't know what you don't measure. Let me explain. Alright, it's breakfast time. You've got your organic oats, and you want to pour yourself a nice bowl. However, you should be doing this. This is a 30-gram scoop. I know it's a 30-gram scoop because when I put oats in it and put it on the scales, it's 30 grams. It also says 30 grams on the scoop. So, the reason we measure it is because you cannot eyeball it. Let me show you. So here we go. This bowl has 3 scoops in it, and this bowl has 5 scoops. And although you can tell, you're not going to notice in the morning when you're racing off to work, and it's going to be nearly twice as hard to burn the calories in this bowl as it is this one. Measure your food, keep it consistent. And that's just one ingredient. Imagine doing that for all your meals, for every ingredient, all day long, for a week, 8 weeks perhaps. It's going to kill you. Get yourself an app, MyFitnessPal, track it, log it, job done. Do yourself a favour, don't guess this if you're serious about it. So for these 8 weeks I didn't cook with oil, I had no cheap meals, I didn't eat any bread, no peanut butter, no jelly, and everything was low sugar. In fact, it was my 31st birthday halfway through this challenge, and there was no cheat meal even then. I even came in here and trained legs. Today is my birthday, there will be no cake. There will be no cheat meal, no exceptions, no excuses. It also turned 5 years of being vegan for me during this challenge, which is pretty cool. It's the best decision I've made and I highly recommend it. I think it's better for your health, better for the environment, and obviously better for the animals. We won't get into that just now though, maybe a story for another time. Ultimately, it's your choice. Ollie mate, what have you got there? Oh, you know, bit of cauliflower, beetroot, broccoli and tofu for a change. You know, mixing it up. Thanks for asking.
It's the 1st of October.
And it is my best mate's birthday today, Richie Garrett. Happy birthday, but can't join you for pizza tonight. I've got spinach, tofu, and some beetroot. Dedicated, disciplined, no excuses, get it done. Sorry mate. Stuffed veggie peppers and broccoli. Treating myself, or capsicum should I say. Don't want to upset anyone now, do I? Garlic mushrooms, spinach, scrambled tofu, and a bit of avocado. I've got broccoli, some sweet potato, cauliflower, chickpea, and that's it. So thanks to Anytime Fitness for the challenge. I will offer a recommendation, which is I really hope you bring out a vegan diet plan. The meal plan was great. I chose a veggie option, but it was full of eggs and dairy, which is obviously no good for me. Plant-based diets are on the rise, so let's look after the people, shall we? So we saw the starting point, and it's time for the reveal to see how far we've come. So during the challenge, I lost 11.8 kilos and went from 24% body fat down to 11, which in 8 weeks, I'm pretty happy with. And as you can see, quite a bit leaner than I was before. Chris, I hope you're bloody happy. Yes! Cheers chaps, all the best with all your own health and fitness goals. Stay focused, stay disciplined, have fun with it, happy days. I'm out of it. Alright, sports fan. Oh, fucked it already. Yes. Come close. Because it's yeah. Don't hold. Just literally relax. You look really stiff.
Easy.
Yeah. We get measured, and then in 8 weeks we'll see what the difference is. So let's crack on.
Let's do it.
Bicep.
Does that take long enough, mate?
I'm not sure. So this is the end of week 1. Slow progress, but it is progress. You little demons. Oh! Not the worst starting point, but some fat to lose. Nice difference. Just getting me steps in, move more, eat less. It's as simple as that. Come on man, this ain't just for girls. I've made a grave mistake today. I forgot my lunch. Just a little video log, just on my pictures to see. Look at the state of my head. This won't be going anywhere, mate. Fucking, that was cheesy. That's not cool. You can do it. One more. Come on bro, what's wrong with you? Just another day in the Iron Paradise. And yeah, this is perfect time. Nah, I've already got it. Haven't I?